Hi, I'm Randy at Wert Bedrooms, standing between two of the most talked about mattresses that you'll find when you shop online for bedding, Puffy and Helix. We carry both of these mattresses, and what makes them so unique is all the information that you get about them online. The only thing missing is to be able to lay down on the mattress and decide whether it's right for you and your back. We have a very unique method of comparing mattresses. So if you want to try what you've read about online, come in and give us a test rest. Try the Helix, try the Puffy, try some of our other mattresses, and I guarantee you, you're going to find the mattress that fits you better than any other mattress out there. And the big difference, we're not just going to drop it off at your door in a box. What we normally do, open them up, fully expand them, bring them out, install it. We'll get rid of the old mattress and box, take it away, and leave you ready to go your first night on your new mattress. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon here at Wert Bedrooms.